Hey, makeup spongy. Hey, makeup spongy. What, microwave? Can you do the makeups? Yeah. Better in the middle. Oh yeah, but honestly, in the Carolina Centrally battle. Yeah. Sophie's. Yeah, microwave. Click, click. Chee. Hey, makeup spongy. Do you want to see the little window seats? No. They're not in the pot. They're really under the grains. Yeah, I got it correct. But what about microwave? That's okay. Microwave. Do you want to get some seeds and boobly brains? Yes, correct. So what is the first question? Because we don't quite know what's going to happen. I do know this. They're not in the pod. They're really under the beans. And then Christmas light and Christmas tree, Christmas day, Christmas light, and Christmas machine, and Christmas matter. And then that's it, Stick. I got a really impossible surprise.